Alright, so another sneaker review. So guys, I bought this shoe at the beginning of the summer. I did have a pair of these a long time ago. I forget when, like 2009, 10, 11, 12, 13, around that time. But I did buy into all the hype again when Nike retroed this. So I decided I'm going to get another pair, and I'm really going to wear them and beat them. Because last time I had them, I had close to 150, 200 pairs of sneakers in my collection. I probably wore them once or twice. Where this time I wanted to put them through the ringer, use them as a gym shoe, use them as a walking shoe, a work shoe, all the above. So let's get into this review, alright? So I ordered from the Nike sneakers app. I didn't have to go into a drawer, they were just sitting there. My size was there, and I wanted something nice, casual for the summertime. So pop it out, that's the delivery box, and here is the regular box. You see, just nice Nike, simple box, all the information there. We'll get back to that red Nike box. Anyways, front. So, you can see by the title that you probably clicked on this, or the thumbnail, Nike Zoom Vomero 5, size 10.5 men's, 12 women's, all the other jazz on there, you know, QR code if you want to scan, product number code in there somewhere too if you want to look it up, but this is the pair. Now, I know they're extremely comfortable, and that is the main reason I jumped into them again. So, the look also, they're pretty aesthetic for what I'm going for. I'm going for that athletic look these days. You know, I'm going to be a dad soon. Trying to keep things casual. I'm not trying to look too fancy anymore. I do have a lot of designer sneakers, and you know, I don't always need to wear Jordans or Air Max. Especially getting older, I don't wear my Jordans as much, but I thought I'd add another runner to the collection. And these days, my sneaker collection is like 80, maybe even 90% runners. I mean, if you count Yeezys as runners, Air Max are counted as runners. Like, yeah, I could say easy 80% maybe runners. But anyways, we had another one, and here you go. There's the box. Now these things are actually on sale. You can find multiple different colors on sale. There's the black pair, all black, that was on sale. This eventually went on sale for like 200 RMB less than what I paid. But you know, I wanted the beginning of the summer, and I'm glad I paid for it. I'm not having, you know, buyer's remorse. I'm buying it for full price, not waiting for the discount. But if you really like them, you can find many different options available. But this, anyways, let's get into this one. It's nice, it's clean, and even after a full summer's use, still looking good. So I probably wore these right now, probably at least 60 days. 60 days worth of wear. You can see the bottom is still fairly clean. I haven't cleaned them once. I've just worn them. See the meshing. I would have worn them more, but here in Guangzhou, China, it's been raining a lot, and I did not wear them on the rainy days because, you know, the mesh, once you get oil or like dirt or something into it, like you can kind of see a little bit there. Other than just a wrinkle, it doesn't come out. And I wanted to keep these pretty creamy, pretty fresh. Hey, what do you guys think? Just a simple looking, you might say dad shoe. I say retro runner now. It looks kind of retro, it looks kind of vintage. I like the look. Yes, they're competing a little bit with like New Balance, and I don't want to say Asics, because Asics is a running shoe. I don't know how it's blown up in popularity. We used to sell hundreds of those at discount in my Foot Locker to runners, and they're the only people buying it. Like old people, like age 30, 40, 50 that ran, and then old people just for comfort, 40, 50, 60. Like no one was wearing them for style until just this year. Anyways, you can see I've scuffed it up a little bit on the side here. The rubber's kind of coming off. I don't know if I did that on my e-bike or what, or how I did that. It might be because some of the temperatures hit 35, 40 degrees here. Might have melted a bit. See the other shoe. But yeah, I love these Zoom Vomeros. Am I going to get other colorways? Probably not, right? I don't need more than one. I just needed this one. If someone gave me as a gift the all black pair, yeah, sure, I'd wear it. And I was hoping that that Cactus Plant Flea Market all black one that was a little different was going to come out, but it seemed to have dropped off the face of the map. So I don't know if that's ever going to be released. So this is probably going to be the only pair I stick with. All right, you can see again. All right, there we go. So, Zoom Vomeros. Pretty nice shoe. Let's do a top look, two together. Give you guys a closer look. Anyways, let's go throw these on feet. I'll show you how they look. Alright, here's the on-foot look for the Vomeros. I love the bounciness in them. I love the foam technology in these things. They're just really comfortable. That's why I told you I've been wearing them for so many days. And sizing-wise, you came to this part. 10.5 is perfect for me. They're spacious. I get enough space in the toe box here, unlike some of my Air Max pinches a bit. The mesh shoe makes it really loose. perfect for me. I wouldn't go down half a size. I definitely would not go up half a size. It would be way too big at half a size. I love the way they broke in over time. I like the clean look. Just a nice summertime look. What do you guys think? I mean, looking down from the horizontal or vertical view, they look great. Horizontal view, I think they look great. I don't know how they would look with pants other than sweatpants. Probably not a jeans shoe. But what do you guys think? I mean, it doesn't really matter what anyone else thinks. It matters how I enjoy them, how I like them, and this does suit me. So there's the on foot. Okay, we're back. So final conclusion. Let me pull up my Nike sneakers app because I forget how much I ended up paying for this. And that's the beauty of having sneakers. I know my friends in Canada, you guys are still waiting for it. It kind of sucks. But here in China and America, we know how sweet it is to have an app to do everything on. So hit my profile, order history. And it's easy because I order all my Nike stuff on here too and get, you know, points or something like that to be able to get exclusive access. I got my soccer cleats. Maybe I got to do a review of those after I played a few more games. But anyway, Zoom Vomeros. I don't know if I got them on sale or not now. No, I did. Originally 999 RMB. I got them for 729 RMB. Okay, let's see if there's any more left. What it's on sale for now. So you can see. Let me cover that up. But right there. No, it's not going to show you guys. But anyways, yeah. So I paid 729 RMB. So 999 RMB is like 200 Canadian. So take off another 20, 40, $45 off of that. It's probably like 165. No tax, right? That's after tax. Tax is always included in stuff here. And let's see what they're going for right now. If I can just look up Vomero. Let's see if it gives me an option. No, come on. Let me sold out. So search Nike.com. Can't be on the sneakers app. I guess I got to go into Nike app instead. We're going to see what the average range is if you want to get a pair of this. But I mean, the prices where you are might be different, right? Every country has a little bit of different pricing. Vomero. Okay, so the all black is $999, $899, $799 on sale. Some premiums for $1,999. So I've got a good deal then, it looks like. And there's a ton of different colors up here. That's really nice to see. Anyways, guys, that does it for the sneaker review. I hope I was informative. I hope you enjoyed it. I really got to get more sneaker reviews out and clothing reviews and all that. But, I mean, right now I'm busy preparing for a baby, right? So I'm not really doing baby clothing reviews on this channel. Maybe I'll make another channel for that. But until next time, guys, take it easy.